Hello, the given question is from test series 3, subject control system and chapter stability and Routh-Hurwitz criterion. Here they have given the equation, characteristic equation. For this equation we have to find if the system is stable or system is having two roots with a positive real part, or system is marginally stable or none of this. So in order to find of the system is stable or unstable or marginally stable, we have to follow these steps. That is, first we have to equate it to the general Routh equation. From the general Routh equation we have to form the Routh table, and from Routh table we have to find the number of sign changes in the equation, and from the number of change in the sign equation we can identify the characteristics of the system. So this is the general Routh equation, which can be compared with the given equation, that is S5 plus S4 plus 4S3 plus 4s square plus 2s plus 1 is equals to 0. So here A0 is 1, A1 is 1, A2 is 4, A3 is 4, A4 is 2 and A5 is 1. So this is the Routh table. This is general Routh equation and this is Routh table. So A0 we have obtained, that is 1, and A2 that is 4, and A4 is 2, and A1 that is 1, and A3 is 4, and A5 is 0. So in order to obtain B1, B3, C1, C3 and D1, we have to use these formulas. So directly by substituting A1, A2 and A3 which we have obtained from the characteristic equation, we will obtain B1 as 0 and B3 as 1 and C1 as 4 epsilon minus 1 by epsilon and C3 as epsilon minus 0 by epsilon, which will be equal to 1, and C1 is 4 epsilon minus 1 by epsilon minus epsilon over 4 epsilon minus 1 by epsilon, and this is 0. So S0 is directly 1. So when here 0 can be taken as epsilon, so when epsilon is tending to 0, for this equation when you substitute epsilon as 0, we'll obtain it as minus infinity. And for this equation if you simplify, we'll obtain 4 epsilon minus 1 minus epsilon square by 4 epsilon minus 1, which is equal to, when you substitute epsilon as 0, we'll obtain it is 1. So we can see that there is two sign changes in the first column, that is minus to plus and plus to plus. Plus to minus and minus to plus, these are the two sign changes. So there are two roots in the positive real axis, that is option B. So the answer is B. Similar kind of questions on Routh equation, Routh stability criteria can be asked. So this chapter is very important. Thank you.